Beginning in 1984 at the age of 7, I moved across the country with my parents and siblings. Enduring and surviving a childhood of violent abuse at the hands of my father, I narrowly escaped with my life to later become a happy and successful doctor, wife, and mother. This story is called From Abuse to Abundance. As a child, you assume what you experience is normal. Gradually, you first learn and then long for a life that appears more normal when you're living in a nightmare. Once you get away, your past hunts you down. It lurks in the shadows. Even with my loving and devoted husband, the trauma followed me into adulthood, motherhood, and sapped my joy and creativity. Ultimately, a breakdown happened and a reboot was necessary. Reboot and repair precede true rebirth. It was therapeutic to write this story and to share my truth in the intimate bleeding story of what was going on in my head so that maybe others can get insight about what is going on in their own head or those that they love. Realizing trauma will reoccur as you are triggered, my mission is to help others who are broken or living successfully but not completely healed by their trauma, who may be struggling with addiction, relationships, sleep, and mental and physical health, just as I was. It's my hope to increase functional awareness for teachers, doctors, parents, leaders, mental health providers, to encourage and empower people to move from victim to victorious and build an abundant life. I hope to raise awareness about the condition of childhood trauma, abuse, addiction, and more. I hope this story inspires, motivates, and helps those who struggle to find hope, courage, and ultimately the power to act for themselves. Reboot by looking at your truth in the mirror, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and doing something about it. Change the game. Repair by releasing your anger, sadness, and that critical inner voice, and creating self care. Rebirth into a new, whole, centered self who is living in purpose.